Hello friends, this is Charu Jain. Welcome to my YouTube channel DPSE Learners. So in this video, we will talk about speech on Gandhi Jayanti for online classes. Basically, if you want to give the introduction about Gandhi Jayanti, so you can take the speech. So let's begin. On 2nd October, every year, India celebrates a national holiday in remembrance and honor of the birth of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi as Gandhi Jayanti. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who is also famously referred to as Mahatma Gandhi, was given the title of the Father of the Nation by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose for his relentless struggle for our independence. Today is his 151st birth anniversary, and we are here to revisit the principles via which he led his life and fought for independence. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born in Porbandar, Gujarat on October 2, 1869, in British India to a merchant class family. He was 24 when he first left India to pursue law in South Africa, where for the first time encountered inequality due to his race and color and was thrown out of the train because he didn't resemble his white and co-passengers. When he returned to India to practice law, he was appalled to see the injustice around him, and his deep sense of doing injustice was triggered. He always fought for what is right and participated in many non-violent civil rights movements and led many campaigns like Dandi March, which is also called Salt March in 1930, to protest against the illegally imposed salt tax, as this basic amenity was already freely available to us due to our coastal location, where thousands of people followed Gandhi to the Arabian Sea from his religious retreat in Ahmedabad and the famous Quit India movement in 1942. He also felt strongly about many unfair practice imposed by the British rule and fought against racism. The caste system discriminating against people by claiming them as untouchables and many such societal inequalities. Due to these protests, he, along with his followers and many other freedom fighters, served their time in prison. Due to his active interaction with people and the influence he had because of his keen interest in their matters, as he truly cared for the people and the desire to help them, he soon after became the leader of the Congress party, and this only accelerated the power of Mahatma Gandhi, as now his followers and supporters increased and so did his opponents. He devoted his life to relentlessly working towards spreading awareness about the importance of equality, peace, and harmony in brotherhood. His principles and values still hold great value, and people consider it to be the right path to follow, and these ideas were spread by many of his disciples, literature, writers, and artists. Today, as we go about our lives, let's remember and honor his philosophy by treating people with respect and equality without any prejudices, and not conform to violence even at our worst. Let's lead a life in peace by following the path of non violence. Jai Hind.